Life moves fast. In the blink of an eye, days turn into nights and weeks into months. The world around us is constantly in motion. We feel pressure, we feel stress. The weight of responsibilities and expectations can be overwhelming, leaving us feeling drained and anxious. It's easy to get caught up in the chaos. Take a moment, breathe, feel the air fill your lungs and let it out slowly. This simple act can ground you. Find stillness. This is the power of meditation. In the midst of turmoil, meditation offers a sanctuary, a place where you can reconnect with yourself. Meditation is a gift. It's a gift you give yourself. It allows you to step back from the noise and find clarity and peace within. Time to pause, time to reflect. In these moments of quiet, you can gain perspective and insight, understanding your thoughts and emotions better. Time to just be. In the quiet, you find your strength. You discover resilience and a deeper sense of self that can guide you through life's challenges. We all need peace. Meditation helps us find it. It brings a sense of calm that permeates every aspect of our lives, improving our well-being. It's a journey inward, a journey to your true self. Start your journey today. Embrace the stillness and let it transform you, one breath at a time. Stress affects us all. It impacts our minds. It impacts our bodies. Meditation is a powerful antidote. It's a natural healer. When you meditate, you calm your mind. You release tension. You find clarity. Your inner peace grows stronger. Meditation improves focus. It improves sleep. It improves your well-being. It's a practice for everyone. Start small, see big results. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, close your eyes. Begin to notice your breath. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly. Focus on each breath. Your breath is your anchor. It keeps you present, it keeps you grounded. Let go of thoughts that arise. Simply observe them. Don't judge them. Let them pass by like clouds. Your breath is your focus. Your peace is your goal. Breathe, visualize, and let go. Imagine a place of peace. It could be a beautiful beach with the sound of gentle waves lapping at the shore, or perhaps a peaceful forest where the leaves rustle softly in a gentle breeze. Really, any place where you feel calm and at ease. Hold this image in your mind. Feel the peace of this place enveloping you. Feel the calmness within you growing stronger with each breath. Breathe deeply, inhaling the tranquility of your surroundings. Let go of any tension in your body. Let go of any worry or stress that has been weighing you down. With each breath, you release stress and negativity. With each breath, you find a deeper sense of peace and relaxation. Stay here for a few moments, allowing yourself to fully immerse in this serene environment. Enjoy the stillness and the sense of calm that washes over you. Let this moment of peace rejuvenate your mind and spirit. Remember, you can return to this place of tranquility whenever you need to find calm and balance in your life. Embracing the silence. As you meditate, you may notice silence. Embrace the silence. It's in the silence that you connect with yourself. This silence is not empty. It's full of wisdom. It's full of peace. It's full of possibilities. Listen to the silence within. It has much to teach you. It has much to reveal. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. Meditation takes practice. Finding your inner sanctuary. Meditation is a journey. It's a journey to your inner sanctuary, a place of peace, a place of strength, a place of wisdom. Imagine walking through a serene forest path, feeling the gentle breeze and hearing the soft rustle of leaves. This is your sanctuary. Make meditation a habit. Start with a few minutes each day. Gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. You'll be amazed by the transformation. You'll find peace within. Inner peace is possible. It starts with you. It starts with meditation. Picture yourself in a tranquil garden with sunlight filtering through the trees, feeling a deep sense of calm. This is the power of meditation. Start your journey today. Find your inner sanctuary. Embrace the stillness. Embrace the journey. Your sanctuary awaits.